got some new subscribers. I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to freeze my puppet.
You're seriously not joking. Got anything else for me? Jen?
The apartment was locked from the inside. Oh yeah, tons of them. We checked them. But no one was seen going in or out. So whoever did this was a ghost.
Yes, a ghost. Oh, I officially declared this case.
Okay, and like and subscribe and look for part 2.